Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making catfish stew. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. We're gonna wash our vegetables off. These are fingerling potatoes. We're gonna get these nice rinse. Off our bell pepper and our celery. We have some Italian peeled tomatoes. First thing we're gonna handle is these potatoes. I'm just gonna cut them half inch, something like that. Bite-sized pieces. Now the celery. Now the bell pepper. It's a funny looking bell pepper, right? You can use red bell pepper, green, yellow, it doesn't matter. What I like about this dish is that the chopping is big. Now believe it or not, this is bacon. It's not smoked. Now, if you're smart, you got your bacon in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and it makes it easier to cut. I, unfortunately, did not. And sometimes, baby, the show gotta go on. We have some beautiful catfish fillets right here. Look at that. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna cut the catfish into bite-sized pieces also. And then we're gonna put it back on this plate, cover the plate, and put the catfish in the refrigerator covered because we don't need it until later on. Now, like I said, I'm gonna cover this with plastic wrap, and I'm gonna get it back in the refrigerator, and I'm going to come back to it a little bit later. Now I'm gonna take those tomatoes, got these tomatoes, and I'm gonna pour them in here. And I'm going in with my nice clean hands, and I'm just gonna squish them. I actually enjoy this. Yeah, boy. Give a little squish squish. We're there. We're gonna get this pan, and it's a large one, over medium heat. And we're gonna add the bacon. We're just gonna cook and stir this bacon until it releases almost all of its fat. And I have a little seasoning blend here. It has cloves, nutmeg, allspice, and oh, it smells so good. Okay guys, look at that. That's just where we want to be. Look at all those crispy bacon bits. Look at all that rendered fat. Now we're gonna add our onions, pepper, and celery. We're gonna stir and cook this for a couple minutes. Smells so good in here. Are you kidding me? How could it not? Now we're gonna add the garlic. And we're gonna cook this for about another minute. We have our crock pot over here that we've been warming up for about 15 minutes. Take the top off and grab this, turn off the heat, give a little shake, and we're gonna pour it in here in the bottom of our crock pot, all of it. Now guys, we're gonna add the potatoes. Some salt. Those cloves, nutmeg, and allspice. This is clam juice. These are those beautiful tomatoes that we squish with our hands. We have all our goodies in there. We're gonna give this a stir. Now we're not done yet. Don't go running off thinking you got the whole thing. There's more to it than this. We're gonna get the top on. We're gonna set our timer for 5 hours. And we're gonna walk away. You know, the largest catfish ever caught was the Mekong giant catfish. This thing weighed in at 656 pounds, and it went down in northern Thailand. Actually, the Mekong giant catfish is an endangered species. Hey guys, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.